Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Git on VS Code and how to set up your GitHub account on your Visual Studio Code. First of all, you should have your VS Code installed. There's a link provided in the description. After installing Visual Studio Code, you have to install on this link, github.account. Click on Windows, install the 64-bit Git for Windows setup. Do not click on the Windows portable one. I have already installed Git. You don't need to worry about it. The only thing is that there is an option there for installing it for VS Code. The others you can just leave it as default. After installing it, you have to go to the description and create your account on github.com. I have already created a GitHub account. After that, go to the PowerShell and paste the links given in the description. Git config -- global user.name. In quotes, you have to type in your name, and the second line you have to type in git config -- global user.email, and in quotes you have to type in your email. After doing that, on the PowerShell you have to go and create a new repository. There is a link for that in the description. This is the link, and make a name for the repository. It should be unique. For example, I have already made a repository with repo. I can create one that is the same name. I have to type in something like repo123 so that it is unique. Make it public, add a readme file, create repository. After creating a repository, click on code and click on HTTPS and copy the link. After copying it, you have to open your VS Code. It will automatically detect that you have installed Git on your Windows, and go to source control. This is the source control. Clone repository, paste the link and click on clone from URL. For me, I have already created another project for learning tkender, and I made a basic calculator. I'm copying it and cloning it to a repository. Clone repository, paste link and clone from URL, and select a file where you want to save this project. Click on open. After that, as you can see, I have the files in the repo copied as is. As you can see, readme.md, button.md, they're all same. Here I can do is that, for example, I made a new function, def click, or when I make a new file, I have to save it. For example, text.txt, save it, and after that go to the source control, enter a message here like something whatever you want. This should be something like comments so that you can understand what you updated. And go here, and before that you have to stage your commits. Here you can stage your commit. As you can see, stage changes. After staging it, you have to press on the more actions and commit and push. You have to do this only when you make a new file. After making new file, after you type in some code, you have to press save and press on commit and sync. I forgot to stage it, and also I forgot to enter a message. That way that error pop up. Commit and sync. Go to your VSCode page and reload. As you can see, the text.txt file with make4 is there. Thank you, and subscribe to my channel.